This is Gold Robotics. Today is October 9th.
Yeah.
Lots of good progress today. I was coding today, and Reese was working on, turret stuff.
Yeah. Guess we're starting on mine because Bobby has a really fun thing to show.
Yeah.
Okay, so today I started off today. What did I start off doing today? It's been a long time. I was really tired.
It was the rubber band today or yesterday?
Yesterday. Okay, so yesterday I did the rubber band thing, and I came in today. I was like, okay, let me just test my intake, and it worked. It shot it up. I was like, okay, not changing anything. I'm leaving it as it is. And I was like, okay, next step is to get the top part working, the complicated part. And so my idea was I'm having this piece, the flywheel, rotate all the way around with the ramp like that. That's my whole goal, with an indexer and a bowl on top and all this other stuff. So my first problem was that I was like, okay, with this rotating like all the way around, these corner edges of the flat piece that I have right now as like a prototype is just not it. So what I did is I made a custom polycard piece that has the slot, that has the coin slot thing in it, and then also the place that I want the ring to go. This is what it looks like. It's the disc to go. I was really tired this morning, okay? I realize now that this was almost basically a waste of time. But while I was doing it this morning, that's what I did. I made this custom piece. And then after that, I did a bunch of thinking. I created the third and hopefully final circle that fits around and on the ends and underneath this little flat area. And after I made this, I did some thinking, and I was like, okay, how am I going to accomplish what I want to accomplish? So my idea is now to have my flywheel be mounted like right here and come up, and it's going to be mounted in the middle of the flywheel like this. And so it's going to be like that, with this ramp extending down on top of this flat area. And because that I'm attaching in the middle, and nothing else behind it is going to be there except for the ramp, I actually didn't need to make that custom piece, which is why I should have thought first. But as I said, I was tired, and I was going to do that. And then I was also thinking, and also thought about my other stuff, like that bowl idea, how I was going to have to come out right here and create some type of system that made the disc fall back down and settle, and then also an indexer idea that I have not come up with yet. But I just started thinking about that. Also, I started making guides for my ring. I have two on the side. The one in the back I have there, but it's not the right length yet. I need a longer piece, but I just got to there whenever we tied it in today. That's basically all I got. It's just a bunch of thinking and working through issues. It's looking promising, hopefully.
So I wrote, so we've been doing the track wheels and odometry, which is why my drivetrain looks so tall, is because I have the track wheels underneath, and also because it was a stylistic choice. But anyways, I was doing a lot of coding today. I was just coding today. And so first thing that I did was I worked on the flywheel, the speed changer, or the speed regulator, I guess, so that it regulates the speed. I think I did that, I showed that off the other day, but pretty much to where you input the value. I just made it better to where, you just say, okay, I want it to shoot this speed, and then it will. So then I found a good speed to shoot at close range, because that's where I'm thinking mostly we'll be shooting from. And then I was like, okay, now I want to see if I can do the turn to shoot algorithm. So the one where you just press a button and then it turns to the goal. And so if Reese can hold the camera, I can show that off. I've been working on this for a while. I went through like 4 or 5 batteries.
4 batteries today.
4 batteries. 6 batteries today. Okay. I'm looking at this last battery. 4 batteries. 6 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 and then I can turn to shoot. And so, what you see, look, I'm not touching any buttons. I'm not touching the joysticks, just that button. And it turns, just using math, yeah. And then,
It's a little.
yeah, it needs some work, but like, it turns to approximately the right place, you know, and then, you know, but I don't have the speed worked out. So the next step is to take the distance and then have that with the function of how fast I need the flywheel to spin so that it goes in, so that like if I'm further away, it calculates that it needs to be more powerful, stuff like that. And that way,
Just a proportional.
hopefully it's linear, so we can just do something proportional. But it very well might not be, and it might be way more complicated, unfortunately. But you know, it'll work out really cool. Yeah, that's it. Audio's been working on
Intake
stuff. Yeah, I
piece.
think a lot of intake with the ramp and stuff. And so yeah, that's it. Cool. See y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.